Hi everyone, it's again Ashish here and welcome to our YouTube channel. Well guys, today we are going to create a very similar photo manipulation just like Toni Mahfud. So this is our 8th video of Toni Mahfud inspired photo editing series which we are going through or which we are editing right now. So if you haven't watched my previous videos of Toni Mahfud inspired series, then you can just watch that. I have already created a playlist on my YouTube channel, right? So first of all, we'll guys select the photo with the help of quick selection tool, right? So you can also use the pen tool to select the photo or whatever tools you can use to select the photograph, right? So first of all, let's select the photo with the help of quick selection tool, just like this way. Roll all over the subject's body to make it selected. Also you can use guys pen tool to select the photo in a very precise manner. Now just right click on it and select layer by copy option to make a duplication of the layer. Now here guys, we are going to first of all crop the photo for our Instagram, right? So let's just select the 8:10 or 4:5 ratio for our Instagram, right? And now we're gonna just increase a bit. And we're gonna just increase the canvas size as a whole image and just hit OK, right? I just want this as my final image or this much area as the final image, right? So just go to the file, click on open, and we're gonna just browse the background to the photo. So this is the background which you have to add, that is here. You can just download this background from the links in the description. Just copy and we're gonna just paste it by pressing the Ctrl V button and Ctrl C to copy, right? Now again press Ctrl T and we're gonna just fix this up to our whole image get perfectly done, right? Now this one is literally looking perfect, I guess, right? So the next thing we are going to do is just first of all we'll create a dark keys effect on this side of the area, right? So let's create a new layer, right click on it and create a clipping mask, select the brush tool and make sure you selected the black color and just paint it with the black color on the area because we don't want to look more unreal. So we are just doing this process. We are using the highlights from the photo, right? So this is really very necessary whenever you are doing this process. You can just paint the edges. As you can see, here's the before and here's the after. It is literally looking so different to the photo and it is really making an impact. You can change the blending mode to multiply or else you can just make an overlay of that mode. As you can see, it has just reduced its brightness level from the photo which we actually want, right? Now we're gonna just merge all the layers. Let's right click on it and select merge all layers, and again let's just crop once again for the photo. And as you can see, the model's face, the expressions and everything is looking perfect, I guess. The hairstyles and on, that is very important guys in this process, right? So just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and we're gonna just apply the preset directly to the photo. So let's just select the preset, that is VM inspired preset. Yes, this preset you can just download it from the links in the description. As you can see, by applying this preset, your photo is totally looking very pretty perfect, but still you can just make more adjustment with the help of going to the orange saturation and just increase a bit of saturation level from the face to get more enhanced on the face region, right? So as you can see, this one is looking perfect kind of thing, and we're gonna just hit OK. You can always decrease the brightness vignette effect from the photo if you want to decrease, and just hit OK, right? Now here the next thing we are going to do is just go to the, again let's just go to the filter, or let's just go to the selective layer, select the black color, and from here we are going to create a phi. Just make a phi of this plus 5% and you are done. Now just merge both the layers, and here the next thing we are doing, that is just make a duplicate of this layer. Now we're gonna just smoothen the skin a little bit. So just go to filter and just select the photo skin refiner. This is the plugin which I am currently using to smoothen the skin, right? So I'm just hitting OK and it is done process. Now the next thing we are going to do is dodging and burning to the photograph, right? So first of all what we will do is just just merge both the layers. Just right click on it and select a duplicate layer. Now here we are going to go to the channels and just click on this button over here and just go to the curves and just leave as it is. Change the blending mode to screen. Again, just duplicate it by pressing the Ctrl J, and here we will change the blending mode to multiply. Press Ctrl I from the keyboard to make a darkish effect. Now we will just merge both the layer or make a group of both the layer. Now add a layer mask on this. Go to the image and select the apply image, and we will select the here we will select the selective color 1 and just hit OK. So as you can see, we have created a kind of dodging and burning effect on the face, which one is literally looking perfect. Now again, let's just make a duplicate of this image. So as you can see, it is really making an impact to the photo, but here we will just remove it from the area where we don't want. Suppose let's say I don't want on the area of the near eyes, so I'll just delete it from the area over there. So as you can see, it is not affected on the eyes. Rest of the things it is being affected, right? Also on this area, so I'll just delete it from there. So as you can see, we have completed our process of doing editing just like Toni Mahfud, right? Here's the before and here's the after. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers, and here we're gonna create a new layer. Select the brush tool and select the white color over here and give one stroke of that white color just like this way. Change the blending mode to screen. We're gonna just place this somewhere over here to get that kind of perfect vibe to the photo. It will add a kind of thing which would be pretty perfect, I guess, right? So this one is looking kind of cool, guys. Now the next thing we are going to do is adding this one, that is a lens flare, right? So we're gonna just add and to our photo. Change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl L from the keyboard, and we're gonna just remove the haze from the photograph just like this way, and we're gonna just press Ctrl T and enlarge the image, and we're gonna just place this somewhere over here. In this position would be pretty perfect, I guess. Now this one is literally looking so cool, guys. Now we're gonna just change the color of this, so you can just totally change it with the help of Ctrl U, or we're gonna just apply any kind of LUTs by pressing the clipping mask on the below button. Let's select this preset. I guess this one is looking kind of cool, so just keep it as a Cinehaler or Levistar. You can just download this. Also, these are the top 10 LUTs of 2020. You can just download it for free from the links in the description. Now just merge all the layers and you are done. So guys, as you can see, we have created a perfect photo just like Toni Mahfud's inspired kind of theme. Here's the before and here's the after. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make cool videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can just download all the preset and LUTs and many more cool stuff just for free, and mobile Lightroom also. And also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, just do follow me over there. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.